I guess you wouldn't understand unless you understood. Hey.
And my brother's keeper.
Running through ghettos, hoodie like mellow, caught without meadow, lit like rellos, an unwritten rule. Taught before school, streets dropping jewels, comprehend the lose.
Me and my bro about to be out. It's gonna be a nice long 7-hour drive to Daytona today. My stuff packed and ready. Ocean Creek. 7 hours to go. Nice sunny South Carolina. QT. Man, we on our way to Florida. Daytona Beach, Florida.
Anybody that know us know how we do.
Out
Get up and go.
Out here, bro.
If you got to do too much planning and all that, that's when, like my nigga Clay said, anytime you make plans, them shits fall through. If you want to do something, just get up and do it, you know what I'm saying? Just make it happen.
Facts. Yeah, man, we just out here on another mission, man. We just hitting the road on some random shit, Labor Day weekend, you know what I mean? Wasn't doing nothing, so we just hit the road.
Just like we always do. A lot of people wouldn't understand. We're gonna vlog it up for y'all, so y'all will understand. We ain't about to do much, just go out here, eat good, probably party a little bit, hang around on the beach, you know, dibble and dabble.
Right.
Dibble? Do they say dibble? Dibble and dabble? Is that how they say it?
Nigga, I ain't never said that shit ever. So I ain't even gonna sit here and lie like I knew what you was talking about.
I knew what I was talking about.
Dibble and dabble. Oh shit.
But yeah, so this keep it all the way 100. This is like the second take of this. The first take got messed up. You know what I mean? Because we ain't had no sound.
My bad. Pretty much was talking about like
our most randomest trip.
Yeah, he asked me like, what you think is our most random trip? And you know, we just hit the road. We don't even make plans. So like the most random trip was probably like going to Florida the first time. We went to West Palm Beach in like 2014 to meet up with some females that we knew off the internet on some Twitter shit, you know what I'm saying?
Off Twitter. Well, I don't want to just say the internet because niggas probably like, oh, they out here on the Tinder,
Wildin'.
on the tag.
This 2014 too, so this 4 years ago.
And it wasn't from Moco Space.
Hell nah.
It wasn't tag. You know what I'm saying? It was just some Twitter joints, you know what I'm saying? So everybody know who on Twitter. Twitter kind of like since we've been on it since like 2008, 2009, it's it's been like a little tight-knit community ever since, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people try to hop on Twitter in 2018, the shit just don't work for them. You know what I mean? Like,
it used to be totally different. Y'all niggas know who used to be on that 2009 Twitter. That shit used to be real. Like, I'm talking about, that was the real slide into my DM era, nigga. This new shit ain't the same. That old shit used to be crazy, nigga. Like, linking up with random Jones. This kind of was the MySpace era too, you know what I'm saying? So, shit was just, everybody was new to the social media world. Shit was crazy, but niggas went down there on some random shit. You know, it was cool. Niggas ain't know, I ain't never been to Florida. That was my first time ever going to Florida. You know what I'm saying? So it was cool, like, it was random as shit. I don't know how much bread I had.
yeah, we probably ain't even had that much bread.
We just got, nigga, I don't even know. Oh, we got a rental. We did get a rental, so that was some fly shit. We had enough for a rental, so we had some decent paper, so, but it was.
Yeah, we had a fire-ass hotel too, though. Y'all go back to my Instagram, go back a couple of years.
Oh yeah, that shit was
Hotel
called
Biba.
Hotel Biba, nigga. That shit was fly. But the crazy shit about it, that shit looked like paradise, but it was around the hood.
I wouldn't even say the hood. Ain't nothing hood about West Palm.
Nigga, we was in the grimy, like, it was a Family Dollar, liquor store, all that shit around that bitch, you know what I'm saying? You know, if a Family Dollar and a liquor store is in a 10-mile radius, you in the hood, nigga.
And a food line.
Food line, love the hood. Like,
Food line, Family Dollar.
cause ain't no Family Dollars in the suburbs, nigga. Like, they got Walmart markets and Whole Foods. Publix, nigga. You know what I'm saying? But
if it's a food line, you know some niggas around.
Hell yeah, cause they don't give a damn where they put their stores up anywhere.
I want to find the grimiest.
You try to find all the food, nigga, like
soul food spot, seafood spot.
Facts.
You know what I'm saying?
Bro, we probably get asked, like, every time niggas go out of town to a place that we been, they always asking them where the fuck we go eat, bro. Cause we eat everywhere, bro. Like, everywhere. You know what I'm saying? So
that's what y'all gonna get out of this vlog. So definitely about to see how niggas move around. I don't know how good it'll be in the club. We might go to the club, you know what I'm saying?
We might incorporate some IG snaps or some,
yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Cause we ain't no like super duper vloggers, so we ain't about to have this big ass camera in the club, you know what I'm saying? You know, we new to this shit, but we always been wanting to do it, you know what I'm saying? So why not, you know, start with this first random trip, you know what I'm saying? I wish we could have brought y'all other trips.
I mean, we gave him a little Cabo snippet.
Oh yeah, go check that Cabo vlog, man. Do that. We got 2 different perspectives. So that shit is fire, bro. That was my first international trip, my birthday and shit, the 30th birthday. So definitely go check that out, you know what I'm saying?
Right, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And
hit the bell. The little Taco Bell
so you get them notifications. Man, you already heard it from somebody else's snap. Vlog,
exactly, but that shit was accurate. That shit is like a Taco Bell bell.
That shit is just a bell. You know what I'm saying? It was a bell before Taco Bell, you know what I'm saying? So Taco Bell didn't create the bell, like, you know, but
well, I could have called it the Liberty Bell. Hit the Liberty Bell in the top of quarter.
But yeah, man, fuck with us, man. This ain't.
Fuck with us. We about just stay tuned. We about to turn up on y'all.
Hey, to whom it may concern, I'ma keep paying these dues till it's my turn. Damn. Hey, to whom it may concern, fuck spending that money we just earned. Yeah, to whom it may concern, if they not with us, let them burn. Yeah. Hey, to whom it may concern, though you may not know the name that you
Hey. Happy holiday to you.
Trying to clear my mind lately. Wonder why the world hate me. This is God's
Random
creation.
people.
Funny,
Always show
but I know coppers want me dead.
Everywhere we go.
People who look like me are put money on my head.
I think these Walmarts got liquor stores in them too. We're about to find out.
I do the feed and don't get fed. That's what it is until I'm dead. Gotta provide the spread. Running for your life on the block to gain the edge. Praying that you don't get wedged between the bullshit and a full clip. Be niggas that you went to school with, place you on news clips. Sick psycho had me breaking, love me like your favorite. Or else we spinning like them clothes that's in the basement. Heavy rotation. Ay. To whom it may concern, I'ma keep paying these dues till it's my turn. Damn. Ay, to whom it may concern, fuck spending that money we just earned. Yeah. To whom it may concern, if they not with us, let them burn. Yeah. Ay, to whom it may concern, though you may not know the name, that you gon' learn. Another black kid from Virginia that got a temper. I can't accept it. It's a lot of shit that's on my mental. Like, why my side of town was never like this? I'm from where niggas killed over a nice pair of Nike Airs. It's realer than reality. Well, mama still pay by the hour, they not salary. Daddy just tryna see his son, they not allowing me. Police causing casualties, schools with corrupted faculties, but they don't got it out for me, right? You out your fucking mind, you think I believe it. Still I won't let them stop none of my future achievements. They can't distract me, road running like Acme, and I put it on my motherfucking pappy. Nigga, ay. To whom it may concern, I'ma keep paying these dues till it's my turn. Damn. Ay, to whom it may concern, fuck spending that money we just earned. Yeah. To whom it may concern, if they not with us, let them burn. Yeah. Hey, to whom it may concern, though you may not know the name, that you gon' learn.
I'm in the bed, but I need to fuck this shit up. It's rallies, boy. I mean checkers. Smashington.
Could have got the chicken. That's how to get these ribs.
Baby, I'm a robber, baby. I don't wanna meet your father, baby. What is feelings? I don't catch them, baby. I've been here before, I learned my lesson, baby. See, when love is lost, it's depressing, baby. And I ain't got time for the depression, baby. You distressing, lady. Cause I ain't been calling it
Unless you hate fake hoes, the battle, nah.
And many people believe he'll be the next heavyweight champion of the world.
One thing I love about Florida is the liquor stores right by the Walmart. All of these joints. It's like, boom, Walmart, some palm trees, and boom, spirits. You know, everywhere we go, we find a hood. I don't even know if this hood, but they try to say it's a little sketch over here, but I think it's pretty nice. A little urban, city streets, urban. Apparel. Out here waiting on this seafood. Gotta come to the hood to get the good seafood. You already know.
Hey, to whom it may concern, I'ma keep paying these dues till it's my turn.
It's a rolling non-stop, watch shit don't never stop.
I'm supposed to be from Florida for real. Supposed to be one of these colorful, wearing hella shit. You know what I'm saying? You know where we at. You know where we at. Every city, every state. Fact.
Do it as a Mexican soul. I like, we make a marinade with vino rosso.